Welcome to the year 2026. And in February 17th is going to be the Chinese Lunar New Year for 2026. And it is the year of the horse. Hi, my name is Mike Tudor. And in this video, I'm going to go over the 3 top sayings that you can say to your friends and family in welcoming the year of the horse. And here is the 3 top saying. So the first one is called Ma Dou Gong Seng. Ma Dou Gong Seng. And this one is to wish someone instant success or a speedy victory. So for example, if you have a cousin or a nephew or your son or daughter even, if you wish them to ace the exam this year or to successfully find a new job this year, then you could wish them Ma Dou Gong Seng. It's perfect for employees or students. Now the second one is good for wishing people that are of senior age for good health. So it is called Long Ma Jing San. Long Ma Jing San. So in this case, you are wishing someone a year filled with drive and enthusiasm. And usually this would be good for wishing people, again, of elderly age or even somebody who's actually depressed. It works as well. Now, the third one, not as commonly used as the top 2. So if you actually wanted to be safe, you want to stick with the first 2. So either use Ma Dou Gong Seng for people who are working or students, or Long Ma Jing San, which is for someone who you would wish to have good health. Now the last one is called Yat Ma Dong Xin. Yat Ma Dong Xin, which means one horse taking the lead. And this wishes someone who takes the lead or acts as a pioneer or is at the very forefront of a group or movement. So for example, if you don't want to use Ma Dou Gong Seng for somebody who is of an entrepreneur or just started their own business, you can wish them Yat Ma Dong Xin, which means that, for example, they'll be the first one who succeed in a blue ocean market. And that's it. You just learned a set of useful Cantonese phrases. Now, the best way to practice these is, of course, to use them. And that's where the CantoPanda web app comes in. You can find flashcards and quizzes for all these words on the app to really lock them into your memory. And the link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Cantonese lessons. Thanks for watching, and remember, 再見.